Hey guys, Pete Coman here at InfoComm 2019, and I'm on the Panasonic stand, and I did a little video a little bit earlier on about a snorkel lens that they've created. Well, they must be loving developing new lenses at the moment, because this one is a ultra short throw lens, not a snorkel, not a mirror style lens, but it is ultra short throw, and once again, like the previous Panasonic lens that I showed you, it is greater than zero offset. So it can actually shoot higher than the location of the lens itself. Another unique feature about this is that it actually has a little bit of zoom and lens shift available on it as well. So typically a ultra short throw lens does not give you any of that, but this one does. So not quite available yet, available later in the year, but another great lens there from Panasonic.